Today we can start fire alarm design. It's also very important part of the project, fire alarm design, because fire alarm it's first what required for life safety permit. First drawing, it's a life safety permit. Are you familiar with fire alarm?
Yes, smoke detector, heat detector, and red glass, a panel for all. Yes.
Okay, if you're more or less familiar, let's start from beginning. Mostly let's focus on code. Popular brand in Canada, Mircom and Chubb. Chubb already modified a little bit, but Mircom very popular, especially for condo. We designed by OBC, Ontario Building Code. It's a first code for fire alarm, yes, which we use for fire alarm. If I open OBC, OBC available free online. There are both sites I have. One official in ontario.ca, another one popular building code online. I like this one because it's easy to navigate here. This website. There are some advertisements, but if we go to, you see this, there is a Quebec and British Columbia also codes available. So Ontario Building Code, we follow section 3. And if we type Ctrl F, for example, start fire alarm, you see some rules approximately starting from here and down about fire alarm. Some rules. Yeah, these rules. If I open presentation, first what we should know to start fire alarm, Ontario Building Code rules, not like one for each building, yes. It depends on type of building also. First we study type of buildings.
Okay.
This is Canadian type of buildings, different from US. By the way, slightly similar, but letters will be different with groups. So A1, A2, A3, A4, it's assembly type of buildings where lots of people gathering together, including like cinema, theater, A1, and arena type, A3, open air, A4, open type, open air assembly, and A2, assembly occupant not elsewhere classified as group A, something different from A1. We have samples also, but architect also define in building matrix. So architect knows exactly what he's designing, what group of buildings. There is a B1, B2, B3. This is mostly institutional type. If we talk about institutional, it means hospitals, prisons. B1, prisons. B2, hospitals. B3, care occupancies. It's like hospital, but without treatment. In Canada, lots of such buildings without treatment. They provide only care. We will see samples later. There are lots of samples. So C, all residential buildings, it's a C group, but not only condo, all kind of, including hotels, motels, everything. Group D, business and personal service occupancies. It's offices, group D. Retail, mercantile occupancies, group E. It's retail, it's stores, supermarkets, stores. Last three, F1, F2, F3, it's industrial occupancies with different level of hazard. High, medium, low. Low hazard, it's a different kind of parking areas, underground parking, especially. High hazard, it's more industrial already with like coal maybe.